Welcome to day 16 of Project Chief.
Also known as week 4, day 2.
You're going to see some fun things. We're going to put in a vent to relocate a bathroom vent.
We're going to put in a window.
We're going to do a little liquid flashing even.
And then also, we're going to have a little fun.
So, enjoy.
We also did some blocking.
So on the time lapse, you just saw us run that 4-inch flex pipe off that vent coming out of the side. That is the vent for the bathroom fan. It needs to go somewhere, so we're taking it through our rafters to the outside, which is right here. Now we have our exterior vent, which is gonna go on there. We gotta cut down this part of it to about 6 inches so it can fit into our wall cavity and hook up to our flex pipe just fine, and we're gonna get nailed on. And Andy is still on his phone. There we go, taped up, installed. Now Andy, slide it in. There we go. Gently. Okay, got it now. Okay, I think you might need help still. So we made the hole too small to start with. What you didn't see us do is undo what we just did and make a bigger hole. Because now look, it's so easy to go on. Oh.
Wow.
Now we're just gonna nail it on and flash it.
That's it. Yeah, it was almost that smooth.
Ta-da!
We have our exhaust fan box. Shooter outer.
That is the technical term. Now Andy's gonna show you how to flash it correctly.
What is this called, John?
It's a vent box.
Oh, vent box.
So, what are you gonna do first?
Oh, so what you want to do with your tape is you want to have as many seams for it to run into on your way down.
That's sarcasm. It's really bad sarcasm.
So what we're actually about to do is zip tape up our vent box here. Well, you're going to start on the bottom and work your way up, making sure that when you're layering it, that it is as seamless, not seamless, because
as seamless as possible.
As seamless as possible. So we'll start and go with our verticals now.
The best way to kind of picture it is the same way you shingle a house, and for the same reason. You start at the bottom of the roof and work your way to the top. So water will flow not into our seams. Because here we go. This is a great example. That bottom piece went on first and came across here. And then the side piece goes on, coming down and overlapping that top lip of the tape.
And then we'll do the right side in similar fashion. These are pretty new rolls, so they're very sticky, which is fine.
Also, Andy has a beautiful arm tattoo.
I do have a nice tattoo. I appreciate the work. If you're someone that wants to get tattooed and you live in Washington State, you can get tattooed by Will at Night Owl on Whidbey Island. It's where I used to live. I'm not advocating for tattooing.
And the top piece. Ta-da! Beautiful. Now also
Like that?
I do like that.
It's okay.
It's all gonna be covered up with siding around there anyways. So it looks, hey, that is really good, Andy.
Thanks.
Don't be so hard on yourself.
That's the unique part of our job, is when you get to do every part of the construction. Sometimes you have to realize there's things that are not finished work and things that are finished work, and they both require different levels of
Finishing?
accuracy.
Oh, accuracy.
Yeah.
What's the last step, Andy?
Boom. Z-roller.
Roll, roll,
I was
roll.
trying to explain this to my mother-in-law recently. So this is the roll I was talking about. To ensure that you get the warranty that they offer out of these, you must Z-roll.
Because it will emboss, like we'll see here, these little Z's on your tape. There's real proof it's been rolled. So if you have a house being built and then you zip tape and you go up to it and you don't see all these little Z's,
Your warranty will not hold up.
and go to your contractor and say, roll the tape.
Cut the tape.
Checking back in again, and we're getting a lot done today.
Yes, we are.
Wow. Go us.
What are we getting done today, John?
Well, let's come back over here, take a look at this. We're gonna bring in here the little vent we got going on. It's done there. And let's see here. Oh, what's that? Oh yeah, we got a window in too. And now
Our custom Pella window.
I'm gonna trip and fall and die. But let's see you get up here. Ah, right there is an air return vent pipe that we're gonna be making a little box for to put a grate on, which looks like this. Look, Andy's on his phone again.
Perfect.
And look, we made a partial box for our air return. How's this gonna turn to an air return from here to there?
Stay tuned. I'm guessing that's what John's going to say.
That's right.
But
we don't have the right pieces to complete this project. So we'll show you how this all works sometime later on.
Day 16, Project Chief coming to a close.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel.
Like the video.
Leave a comment.
And ring the bell.
That's all, folks.
That's all, folks. That's pretty good.
That's good. I can't do it. I can't do it. You gotta move the ladder.
What's wrong with the ladder?
It looks so weird. I can't do this.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Are you doing luck now?
Oh, this is imagine trying to actually be an actor. How hard, like, doing something funny would be.
Find Jesus. That's too much. Too much.
We're wrapping up day 16, and
It was a good.
Okay, here we go. Welcome back to Project.
Why are you welcoming people back? Frick.
Wrap it up. Wrap it up, buddy.